Hi, to delete apps on the iPhone 13 we have several ways. The first one, simply go to your home page. Here find an app you want to delete, or you can also swipe left to go in the app library and choose an app from here. Now we will need to press and hold this app. For example, let's delete Snapchat and select the option to remove it. And now we can either remove it from the home screen, so we'll just remove it from this home page, but it will stay in the app library. Or we can delete this app permanently. So let's select this option, and now we need to confirm that we are deleting its data as well. So just tap it and now it's gone. You won't be able to find it in the app library either. Also, the second way, you can go in the settings, then in general, after that choose iPhone storage. Here find an app you want to delete, for example Instagram, and here select this option to delete it. Then confirm as before, and now this app will be uninstalled. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.